Welcome to Relax Music. Before we begin, take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly. Now take another deep breath, but this time feel as if yesterday dissolved completely. There is only now. Welcome to the brand new day. A day filled with limitless opportunities. A day where abundance flows freely to you. A day where your thoughts shape your new reality. Right now, this very moment, you're standing at the gateway of a new reality. A reality where wealth, success, happiness, and gratitude are not distant dreams. They are your new normal. As we journey through this meditation, we're not just thinking about abundance. We're not just hoping for the same. We're stepping into one. We're becoming it. Let's begin. Find a comfortable place. Position yourself. Close your eyes. Breathe in deeply through nose. Hold it for a moment. Now exhale through your mouth. Let's do that again. But this time, as you inhale, visualize a golden light filling in your body. This is the energy of abundance. And as you exhale, imagine releasing any tension, any resistance, any thoughts of lack. Breathe in deeply through your nose. Hold it there for a moment. Exhale through your mouth. Feel yourself getting lighter, freer, more open to the abundance that is already a part of you. Your breath is the bridge between your body and the universe. With every inhale, you are receiving. With every exhale, you are expanding. Now, place your hands over your heart slowly. Feel it beating this rhythm of life. This constant, unshakable force within you. It is the proof that you're connected to infinite abundance. Feel yourself connected deeply. take your hand down. Breathe in wealth. Breathe out limitations. Breathe in gratitude. Breathe out doubts. Breathe in the feeling of already having all that you desired. Now, imagine roots of golden energy extending from your body deep into the earth. These roots go deep, deeper than ever before, connecting you to the core of universe itself. Feel the force of abundance rising through these roots, flowing up to your feet, to your legs, into your spine, and finally into your heart. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a brilliant streams of cosmic energy flowing down from the universe. A shimmering river of light pouring directly into you. This is the energy of unlimited abundance. It moves you, through you, merging with golden energy of the earth, making a perfect balance. You're now a magnet of prosperity and success. You're deeply rooted in wealth, yet infinitely expansive. Now let's take a journey. Imagine yourself waking up in the most abundant, fulfilling version of yourself. As you open your eyes, you feel different. You feel powerful. You feel magnetic. You look around. This is merely not a dream. It is your new reality. Take a deep breath and notice where you are. Are you in a beautiful home that you designed? Are you waking up to the soft sound of an ocean? Are you in a city penthouse surrounded by breathtaking skyscrapers? Whatever that may be, see it clearly. Feel it. Smell it. Step into it. You rise from bed, feeling deep sense of peace and confidence. Now, walk towards the mirror and feel wealthy and the most fulfilling version of yourself. Look into your eyes. There is no doubt, no fear, only certainty. This is who you are and who you're always meant to be. Now, whisper to yourself, I'm wealthy beyond measure. I'm grateful for all that I have. And I'm aligned with infinite abundance. Now bring your awareness to your heart. Think of 3 things you're deeply grateful for right now. It could be the opportunities flowing your way. It could be the simple fact that you're alive, breathing and connected to the infinite. Or it could be the money, success, and joy that are finding the way to you. Now take this gratitude and expand it. Feel it grow bigger, bigger. Feel every part of your being. Let it radiate out, touching everything in your life. Because here's the secret. Gratitude is the frequency of abundance. The more grateful you are, the more universe floods you with reasons to be grateful for. Keep on paying gratitude for all that is with you. Now seal this transformation with powerful affirmations. Repeat these silently or aloud, feeling them sink deep into your subconscious. I am open to receiving infinite abundance. Wealth flows to me effortlessly. I am a magnet for prosperity, success, and joy. My heart is full of gratitude, and abundance follows me everywhere. The universe provides me beyond my measures. Take a deep breath in. Hold it. And as you exhale, align with the truth. As you open your eyes and return to the present moment, carry this energy with you Know that you're already abundant. Please keep following us for more such videos and amazing content.